So hello everyone. I would like to send a message from the top of Mirusha Canyon, rocks, mountains, that vegans are not kind of fluffy guys, non-energetic or something. We have a lot of energy, as you can see. I am vegan, yeah? It's me, I'm 30 years old. I climbed here. It's Kosovo in Balkans. And I climbed all the way up. Climbed all the way up. So, we have power, we have energy. So, don't worry, become vegan for Earth, Mother Earth, for humans that starve. There are 20 billion animals in industry that are being killed every year for food for humans in the North Globe. What about over 1 billion humans who are starving? If we just, some of us become vegetarians, vegans, then no starvation, no people starve. Each steak needs 25 baths, so you can imagine how much water it needs. Industry of animal production. The Amazonia, the rainforests are being, the trees from rainforests are being cut down every year. The area of Switzerland, this country in Europe. So in 2050 there won't be any rainforest. It's everything for animals, for industry of animals, animal production. Here you can see waterfalls, beautiful waterfalls. Mother Earth is beautiful, nature is beautiful. We don't have to kill Mother Earth, we don't have to kill nature, each other. We can all be vegan. It's ecological point, ethical point, ethical point, health point. And so on. So this is from the top. That's the way how I came. And then here, up, I go up. You can see one waterfall, first waterfall. Here. Yeah. Few of them. Another one, next one. Next one. Smaller one. And here. All on the top. All up, it's beautiful nature. So I've been vegan for more than 15 years. Now I'm 30. Vegetarian since 1994. It's 2011. I feel great. I have no sicknesses. Mother Earth, if there is any problem, can cure you with her plants. You just have to get the knowledge. Take back the knowledge. Take the knowledge back that we lost for pharmacy, artificial medicines, and we know what to eat. We are completely healthy. Ah, you can see also some caves here. It's beautiful, isn't it? There are some eagles here. You can see some bones around, some eggs around, some bones, probably smaller. Animals. That's how nature looks here.